Hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about Google Classroom and what it's going to look like for you. So when you first log into Google Classroom, this won't be here. You're going to have to go to the plus sign and click join a class, and you're going to put in the class code that I give you during actual class. And then after that, it will take you straight to this page, and you'll see your class and your name and what is due. So tomorrow we have math homework due. So you'll click on the title, and it'll take you to this page. And if you have any announcements, they'll be here. This is the homework that is due tomorrow. And then it also says here it's upcoming and it's due tomorrow. So when you click on the actual assignment, you'll see 100 points, math homework due tomorrow. And then you'll click on this, and this is the worksheet. And then you'll click here and download your homework and submit it. You can also comment if you have any questions. And then there's also a calendar. This shows you there's nothing due today or Thursday, but Wednesday we do have that math homework. It will also show up here in your to-do list, the math homework that's due tomorrow at 11:59. It also shows you next week and later, but it's not inputted in there yet. It'll show you if it's missing and what you've done. And then in your settings, you can get notifications about your classes. But yeah, that's how to work Google Classroom. And then your classwork also shows up in your classwork. And then your teacher, and then it'll show up all those people in the class. Thanks for listening.